Our short meditation for today is about seeking God's presence. Psalms 42, 1 and 2. As the deer pants for streams of water, so my soul pants for you. My God, my soul thirsts for God, for the living God. Where can I go and meet with God? Our relationship with God is a journey of seeking and drawing near to Him. Sama sa lagsaw, nagapangita og tubig, ang atong kalag ginauhaw para sa presensya sa Ginoo. Nagatinguha nga ato siyang matagbo ang atong buhi nga Dios. As we grow deeper in our relationship with God, through intentional pursuit, we carve our moments in our day to seek the Lord in prayer, worship, and meditation on His Word. Sa magahatag kitag panahon diha sa presensya sa Ginoo, we are transformed by His love and truth. The more we know God, the more we are conformed to His likeness and character. As we gradually transform into His image with increasing glory, which comes from the Lord who is the Spirit. 2 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 18. So ang tinguha sa pag-ila sa Ginoo sa duol gyud kaayo is nurtured through obedience and surrender. We yield our lives to Him, allowing His Spirit to lead us and guide us unto deeper communication. Our pursuit ang atong paghandong og tinguha sa Ginoo. Ato kining makita o atong makaplagan that God delights in revealing Himself unto us. As we draw near to God, He draw near to us, filling our hearts with joy and peace. Salamat o ang Ginoo magapanalangin kanatong tanan. God bless.